Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to download GB WhatsApp app 2026 new update. So let's go download GB WhatsApp apps. Okay, then let's start the video. After that, now go back your home screen. First of all, you enter the Chrome browser. Search icon, now search for GB WhatsApp mass. Now tap 1 GB WhatsApp mass. Now tap 1 GB WhatsApp download. Now download GB WhatsApp and download anyway. Now tap 1 details. It is downloading. Now tap 1 GB WhatsApp apps and tap 1 install. Now tap 1 open. Now tap 1 agree and continue. Now select your country and type your number. Now tap 1 next. Now tap 1 yes. Now tap 1 continue. Now check your Gmail verified code. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Gmail. Now select your verified code. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your WhatsApp apps. Now type your verify code. Now tap 1 skip and tap 1 skip. Now type your name. Now tap 1 next. Now tap 1 OK. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.